Week 3 of making olives. Here they are. I don't know if you can tell from this. I'm going to pour off my salt. Remember, our salt brine. We do this once a week. And ooh, we found some more little bit of fungus on the top here. And we're just going to scoop it off. And we can see that it's just growing on top. It wasn't clinging to any of the olives. So scoop it off, throw it out. Don't worry about it. It's gonna happen. There is mold spores everywhere on earth. You can't get away from them. I don't know if you guys are old enough to remember Boy in the Bubble. He was allergic to or not allergic, had no antibodies. So he had to live isolated from all bacteria and fungi. So poured my liquid off, putting my olives back in the jar. My brine, I have a quart here. This is a quart jar. It will not take the whole thing because the olives displace some of the liquid. Remember that guy yelling Eureka? Oh, made a spill. My mom used to say, if you make a mess, clean it up. It was kind of actually very nice and relaxing as a kid. We knew that, yeah, you know, we were told, yeah, kids get messy, just clean it up. We had to clean up our you know, toys at the end of the day. We even had messy clothes, play clothes. So there you have it. Now see, here you can see that the brine is clear going in. Well, a little bit cloudy, but it's clear going in. And after 1 week, what does it look like? This is actually week 3. So as you can see, the brine has turned from the color that it started after 1 week. It picks up some of the pigment from the olives. That's fine. That's natural. That's what it'll do. And the olives that started life as very dark purple are now kind of a paler purple. And I guess I should sample one, but I know it's 3 weeks. They're not ready yet. We'll come back and we'll visit it again in week 4. And then hopefully in week 5, after 5 weeks of this, they will be ready for me to use in my Christmas tamales. And that's a whole nother, oh, that's about a 5-hour post. We won't do that to you. We'll zip through some of those as soon as I learn how to edit that feature. But olives, week 3, moving right along. Savor the Southwest.